Oh, here. Oh, it's too thick. I think here, anak. Oh my gosh. Here, baby. Here, no. I'm not able because it's too... Oh my...
My neck. Zip it up.
James. Oh my gosh. Hold mommy because it's so heavy. Oh my gosh. Say hi to ate.
Ay, ate.
Hello, ate. Oh my gosh, grabe. Ang snow. Then where we gonna go, anak?
Mama,
It's too deep. Papa, here. This way. Yes, this way. Oh yeah, this way. James. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Kuya,
Good
be
times.
careful.
OMG.
James.
OMG.
James.
OMG. I'm going to go. Let me go. Let's go.
What?
Yeah.
Kuya.
Oh no, I think I can put this stuck.
Oh. Kuya.
Hi guys. Today we're playing in the snow blizzard. Yes. I was almost stuck. And we're gonna build a snowman.
Okay.
I'm stuck. Or a castle. Come on, so let's get to it.
Tell him I'm all the way up on one right on foot in the middle of the snow.
Help. I'm stuck.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Or you can grab
There's
me. I'm
yellow
going to take a quick walk at the school grounds.
Good evening. Say hello to your cousin, Peps.
Hi, cousin. I'm going to dump the toys. Someone here. I'm going to go.
Be careful of the wood bits.
Guys, let's get ready to building now.
So,
We have to use our building tools. I'll get you We're going to make a castle or a snowman. Yeah, I already tried to make a castle. Right here. I made the other part. Yeah, thank you for helping me. Okay, I'll leave that. Doesn't look so neat. We're gonna be. I need a very good iron. Okay, ready? Set, go! I'm gonna use this. Oh no, I failed! Safe! Now I made the second part. I'm gonna show you what it looks like.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to get a...
Say hello to the doggy. Papa, let's
Get him! Dog.
Oh, anak, I think I'm shivering. It's too thick.
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, let's take out the snow.
Let's go, Mama. Whoa, Gwen.
Whoa, dogs can go really fast in the snow.
Hmm.
I know what to do. I just gotta run.
Look, baby, the doggy. Look. Like that doggy.
Guys, you want a drink? Here, go. Run, bye. Oh, there's a staple.
Kuya, I can't see. Kuya James, I can't see.
I'm going to go in there in the park. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh no, I lost my. No. Where's my thing? Oh. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Come on now.
Ah!
Bye-bye, we're going. It's too cold.
Gabby, try to get up. And then, bye everyone. Bye everyone. Have a good time in Philippines.
And also, let's go.
Have a good day. Hi everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi everyone. Please don't forget. Please don't. Hello everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to check out my James vlog. Bye. Bye. Who's that? Go!
Come on, babe. 6
Go,
minutes.
guys! Jump into your
So here we go.
face!
Sasakyan sa
Hey!
James, that's
I
not.
can't see!
Oh yeah. James, let's go. This snow is a bit dirty. Let's go. Oh yeah, don't do that. Come on, bye. Look at me. So lakas ng sasakyan. Stuck siya. Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, our gloves. Come on, it's so windy. Take that. Let's go, baby. Oh my God. Struggle. James, it's dirty na tayo.